Grabe. Is this real? Totoo to? Galing no? Galing no? Punong-puno no? Parang rose na puno. Rose na puno. Ha? And this is how it looks like. Wow! Come on, this one is the barefoot walking area. So we're going to remove our shoes and socks. Then we're going to try this one. Barefoot walking. Yusu. Alright. Oh. Oh. Nice. Inano nila yung mga inayos din naman nila yung daanan na para hindi masyadong matulis yung area. Medyo may mga buhangin. Dito, so naglalakad ka nakayapak dito sa forest. So exercise daw nila to pag umaga dito. Parang diba, pag nag hiking ka, maakyat ka ng bundok. Ito maakyat din ng bundok pero nakayapak, nakapaa. So ito yung ibang kasama ko, yan sila, pero nakasapatos yung iba kasi ayaw nila magtanggal ng medyas. So ito ay isang form of exercise dito ngayon sa Korea. Yan ba ako? Ha? Sakit, ma'am? Oh, exercise kasi. Yan. Stimulation sa paa. Ha? How long is this trail? This one? How long?
Speed maybe 40.
40 meters?
Minutes.
Oh, minutes. Oh, okay.
You can never walk fast.
Yeah. Sakit sa paa. Nasi-stimulate ang mga nerve endings ko. So natapos na kami ng mountain climbing na barefoot. Nakakapagod, hindi ko inaabot sa taas. Sobrang sakit sa paa. But this one is part of the activity dito sa New Start Hospital. So itong New Start Hospital is actually an acronym. This is a program developed by the Seventh-day Adventists. Yung New Start, it's a wellness, healthy lifestyle program, which means new is nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, temperance, air, rest, and then trust in God. So yan yung sinusunod ng Seventh-day Adventist na lifestyle. Kapagod. So I'm going to the hospital now. So ito Ito yung loob ng hospital. Here. Oh, hi. Hello.
So sterilize you.
Anyong.
Sterilize you. You have
Ah,
to
ay.
wear the mask.
Okay. So, sterilized.